Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Monica. I'm an independent sales representative with Avon, and today I thought we would chat about my campaign 19 purchases. This one right here, even though we're on to campaign 20, but I'm a little behind. What can I say? Let's put some glasses on. And oh, before we start, let's take those off. So I got new hair today. So this is fresh hairdresser styled hair. I can never do anything like this. It's so beautifully smooth. And I just had her tone the highlights because they're just so brassy from the sun. And she just we took off the some shoulder length hair, and I'm kind of done with the reverse A-line, and so it's kind of cute. I think it's cute. Isn't that cute? Kind of bouncy. Anyways, I'm happy with my new hair, but anyways, let's go chat about Avon. Let's see, what did I buy? I bought all kinds of silly things, which make no rhyme or reason, but I think I'll just get rid of the household stuff first. There was a deal to buy, you know, I always get this stuff, Fuji Fresh, and if you bought I think I got 2 of these, and 2 of these, you got 4, and then as a free gift with purchase, they give you the fabric softener. So always happy to have that. I always use the washer sheets. They're really good. In fact, my husband went to Houston and he stayed at a hotel that often has suites, and the suite just happened to have a washer and dryer, and so he's like, wow, I didn't know I was going to get that suite, and I would have done I would have washed my clothes, and you didn't have any laundry detergent, and it occurred to me, it's like, oh, you've got to put a couple of these in your carry-on bag, and then if you just happen to get that suite, then you will be able to wash your clothes. So I mean, they're really great for travel. So I got that, and then the other cleaning product that I got was the Cucina. This is like the spray dish soap, sort of like the Dawn, and it was buy 2 get 1 free. And I love this scent. This is yummy. It's delicious. Is this the apple one? Yeah, it's the red apple. It's so good. They have a lemon one, but I like the red apple better. Okay, so that was like the household stuff. And for like cosmetic-y kind of stuff, skincare stuff, I did pick up the bug guard before these go away. I'm currently in the desert, and I noticed there's just more mosquitoes this year. It's kind of weird. We had a tropical storm, and I think that just had something to do with it. And you know, when I take the dogs out at night, I can hear them buzzing in my ear. It makes me crazy, so I'm gonna take care of them. There will be no snacking on me. So I got that. And then this book had all the what is it called? PropoliThera. Yeah, PropoliThera. And I initially bought the shampoos and conditioners. I absolutely love it. And so this time I purchased the leave-in conditioner. And I love bottles that have this spray. This stuff's great. This is a great sprayer. Happy to have that. Haven't used it yet, of course, but I will get to it. And then I wanted to try it. I've wanted to try these for a while. This is the Knox Anew Clinical Revitalize and Reveal AHA BHA Peel. So they're little pads, and you just put them on your face, and then you don't rinse them off. And then you just follow your regular skincare. So should be interesting to see if that helps with, you know, kind of sometimes I have like congested pores, and just, you know, the sunspots that you get as you miss with sunscreen or forget to put on your sunscreen, stuff like that. And then I bought this Real Matte powder. This is just for my handbag. Just needed, you know, for a little touch up, so I bought that. And then 2 new mascaras. Well, 2 mascaras. This is the one I always buy. This is the washable, wash-off waterproof mascara. This is great. I always buy this one. Love it. And then this is a CathyCat. I don't think it's washable. It says Play All Day mascara, and I haven't gotten into this. I don't know what the brush looks like or anything. Ooh, it's very thin. A nice and narrow brush. So I kind of like that. That'll be fun. I've never tried a CathyCat mascara, so I'm looking forward to that. And then I don't know why, but this was a gift with purchase, and I don't it might have been because I purchased some cosmetic stuff that this was included as a gift with purchase, but I don't remember. And lastly, I'm so excited about this item. This is the new Eye Moment palette from FMG. This is the Christmas version, and it's really beautiful. The packaging is textured, so it's really nice. And what I love about this is that while it is being presented in the Christmas catalog, it doesn't look like a Christmas palette. So you'll be able to use this all year round, which is, I really appreciate that. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I've already opened it, and I haven't touched it yet though. So it's just this beautiful palette. It's this beautiful palette with a, an eye brush that nobody really uses, but they include them. And look, oh my goodness, aren't those pretty? And it has the cover, which names the sheets. Oh, they're all in cute little names. Pure Cheek, Lavender, Cookie, Note, Jazz, Smile, Moon Silver, SE? I don't know what that is, and Diamond. Aren't those so pretty? Now, I'm a little curious about these shadows. I don't know if they're gonna be too sparkly or too chunky on the eyes. That's kind of something that, makes me crazy. But let's swatch it and see. It's pretty smooth. It's pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh man, that's beautiful. And let's try this one because this is also sparkly too. Very smooth. Not. Oh God, look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is going to be so beautiful. Let's see. Oh, can't see it. I think it's more of a topper, but it's just this. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's try one of these, this matte shade here. Which shade is that? That is Note. Let's try. Very smooth, very soft, very smooth. Very nice light. Very nice light crease color. I am in love with this. Oh no, let's try this one. Wait, I gotta wipe my little finger off. Okay, last one. We'll try one more. Let's try this one. Let's see. Oh, pretty. It's sort of a peachy pink. Let's see. Right there. Not super pigmented, but it's right there. Oh my gosh, so pretty. The one that's really impressive is that silver. That's gonna be fun. Yeah, I can't wait to play with this. And the other thing that I'm so happy about it is that it is made in Korea. So it's made in Korea, so great. They also have the tan one, but I wanted to try the pink one first because I wasn't sure. I want to make sure the quality was there so that I can make sure the tan one is then worth purchasing, and I think it will be, but we'll see. We shall see. So that is it for Campaign 19. I didn't buy too much, which is good. I need to start, saving for Christmas, which is right around the corner. And yeah, I'm in love with this. I think it's beautiful. It's very pretty. Can't wait to play with it. And then, since I'm kind of behind on everything, we are in Campaign 20 already, which is started today. And what is fun in Campaign 19 is the Anew Platinum Body Serum. And they have a really nice deal with if you buy $40 worth of purchases between pages 3 and 32, which is all skincare, you will get a free Anew Platinum Age Delay Serum. So I have been using this. I don't have quite an opinion on it. It's nice, but I'm not really using it exclusively, so I can't really say like, whoa, it's really nice. I mean, it is nice, but I can't tell you if it's doing any miracles. I would like it to do a miracle. Very just, it's like a, obviously it's like a serum. And it feels really nice. It absorbs into my skin nice. It's not causing any irritation. So far I like it, but is it doing any of, do I notice any anti-aging benefits? Well, not right now, but just started using it. So this I've been using for a while, and I will say my skin is in really good condition. Like, I'm really happy with this product. My skin looks smooth and soft and not dry. And you would think, well, you could probably just get the same result with a moisturizer, but I've been layering this. So I use this and then I layer on a moisturizer, and it just sort of locks everything in, and my skin looks great. So happy to have this. And then, oh, one thing I wanted to mention, because I mentioned this last time, and it was campaign 19. There was this deal. I really wanted, this was a good deal. And it was the 2-piece collagen booster set that I mentioned last time. And I really wanted to get this, but it sold out. So, I mean, you gotta watch these deals, because when they're good, they will sell out. And this was a really good deal, because this collagen that you add to your beverage is usually, I believe it's like $56, but it was for this price of $27.99 with the scrub. So this was, then, well, they call it a microneedling polisher, but it's, you know, it's face scrub. So this was such a good deal, and I didn't get to take advantage of it. I was so bummed. I couldn't believe it sold out. I was like, well, I mean, it was priced perfectly, and it was a good deal. So you gotta get on it, because people love Avon, and stuff just sells out. So what else? What is next? So yes, campaign 20 is alive and well, and if you need a brochure, just let me know and I'll send you one. And then after that, oh, we're heading towards Christmas. we are heading towards Christmas. And so I got the next Christmas brochure. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so cute that I'm just dying. If you have a makeup lover in your life, I'm telling you, oh, here's the eyeshadow palettes. Now I do want to get this one, but I kind of wanted to try it out, and I think I probably will be picking that up. And they just have all kinds of like nail stuff, and just cute little, look at these cute little, you know, nail file sets, and cute little lipsticks. And oh my gosh, I mean, I'm pretty impressed with the Christmas selection this year. Last year I kind of wasn't. I became a rep in January of 2023, but I still was a shopper, a buyer, and yeah, I didn't like any of the Christmas stuff last year. I didn't buy the Christmas palette, that's for darn sure. It was ugly. It was really ugly. The colors, well, the color story didn't speak to me, is what I should say. I mean, maybe some other people found it really nice and liked it, and that's, you know, that's really great, but I did not. But this year, the pink one is really pretty, and I look forward to using it. So that is it from me. If you have any questions, comments, just leave them below, and I will get back to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.